Good morning, students. Welcome here in your social science class. Today we will discuss our chapter number 2. Which chapter? Yes, chapter number 2 from your civics. Okay, social and political life. Chapter, the role of the government in health. Whose role? Yes, role of government in health, and this is your part 1 of this chapter. As you all of you know that India is a democratic country. So what the people expect from the government in a democracy? So in a democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. Each and every people want this thing from the government, that government work to whom? Yes, work to people and about the wish thing for their welfare. So this could be through the provisions of something, you can say that health, okay, education, fine, then employment, housing, development of roads and electricity, etc. So which things government, yes, could be done through the provisions of which thing? एजुकेशन हो गया आपका बेटा, हेल्थ हो गया बेटा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट, हाउसिंग और द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रोड्स एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल और यू कैन से दैट वी शैल एग्जामिन द मीनिंग एंड प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू हेल्थ. Which problems? Yes, problems related to health. So now start. First of all, just look at here. What is health? So is it in simple terms? If we talk about the health, we can think of health in many ways. Okay, fine. So first of all, health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. So in simple terms, we can define the health just like this. Health means which things? Our ability, each and every person, even either child, either a girl, either a woman, either a man, everyone. So health means our ability to remain free from which things? Illness and injury. Is it this definition is enough to define the health? Just think, no. So beside all these things, you can say that what we often ignore is the fact that each, yes, of the above the situation, is it only free of illness and injuries? So apart from disease, some of the factors also we need to think which affect our health. Okay, apart from only illness and injuries, some of the factors also which affect our health. Just like you can say that which one? Clean drinking water. Yes, first of all, if people get clean drinking water, okay, then pollution free environment. Yes, we need pollution free environment, clean surroundings, then they are likely to which thing? Likely to be healthy. And on the other hand, we can also say that adequate food. Yes, if the people do not get adequate food, is it healthy people? And then the next one, which one? Clean surroundings. And they all things we need, and these all factors affect our health. So now we can say that what is health? Now just look at the definition, clean definition here. The state of physical, yes, the state of physical, it means free from illness and free from injuries. Mental, a good mental health also we need according to come here, okay, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. Yes, here the illness. So you can say that this is the health. Now students, just look at here, healthcare in India. We will talk about the situation or what about the healthcare in India. So let us examine some of the aspects of healthcare in India. First of all, just look at these four about the situation express. Okay, so the first one, India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world and is among the largest producers of doctor. If we talk about the whole world, so India जो है आपका सबसे ज़्यादा मेडिकल कॉलेज कहाँ है आपका? इंडिया में. और सबसे ज़्यादा जो डॉक्टर प्रोड्यूस करता है वो कौन प्रोड्यूस करता है? इंडिया. यू कैन से दैट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 15,000 new doctors qualify every year. How much doctor qualify every year? About 15,000. Now look at the second one also here. Healthcare facilities have grown substantially over the years. If we talk about the healthcare facility, okay, healthcare facility have grown over the year. So in 1950, so hospitals, if we talk about 1950, there were only 2,717 hospitals in India. After this, in 1991, there were 11,174 hospitals. But if we talk about the 2000, the number grew to 18,280, and now to 2021. So just let's think how much hospitals have grown over the years. Large number of medical tourists visit India every year. Even जो आपके टूरिस्ट है, मेडिकल जो टूरिस्ट है, वो कहाँ विजिट करते हैं? Our country. Yes. So India gets a large number of medical tourists also for many countries. You know, they came for treatment in some of the hospital in India that compare with the best in the world. कुछ हॉस्पिटल्स में रीच करते हैं ये टूरिस्ट जो पूरे ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड की, इफ वी कंपेयर अबाउट दोज हॉस्पिटल्स एंड विच इज बेस्ट हॉस्पिटल वी फाउंड हियर इन आवर कंट्री इंडिया. सो दैट्स वाई बहुत सारे मेडिकल टूरिस्ट भी आते हैं ट्रीटमेंट कराने के लिए. Then the next one, India is the fourth largest producer of medicine in the world. If we talk about the whole world, India का जो आपका नंबर आता है वो कौन सा है? आपका fourth largest producer. So India क्या है? आपका fourth largest producer है medicine in the world जो produce करता है and is also a large exporter of medicine और बहुत ज़्यादा medicines भी export करता है. So beside all these 4 points, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, some of the other situations also, as you can see in our country India also, okay, you can say that those are positive aspects of our country India. But beside the positive aspects, some of the negative aspects also here in our country India. So let's discuss. First of all, look at the first one. Most of the doctors settle in urban area. Where जो आपके ज़्यादातर डॉक्टर हैं वो कहाँ सेटल हैं? आपके अर्बन एरिया. So people in rural area have to travel long distance to reach a doctor, and the number of doctor with respect to the population is much less in rural area. अब जो people हैं जो rural areas में होते हैं उनको बहुत ज़्यादा distance cover करके जाना पड़ता है. If we talk about our state also, Uttarakhand, we are living here in Dehradun, where we have so lots of medical facilities, lots of so much hospitals also, just like near the Rishikesh AIMS hospital, and even here Dehradun also CMA, and so many hospitals. But let's just think about those people who are living the district, just like Pauri and Chamoli and Pithoragarh, जहाँ आपका बहुत रूरल एरिया है बेटा, जो विलेज में है बहुत ज़्यादा, उनको कितनी प्रॉब्लम, उनको बहुत दूर तक ट्रेवल करके जाना पड़ता है डॉक्टर्स के पास, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स सेटल इन urban area. Now about 5 lakh people die from tuberculosis every year. It is not a less number of people who die. 5 lakh is so much, okay, amount, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं. So about 5 lakh people die from tuberculosis. This number is almost unchanged since independence. If we talk about almost 2 million cases, how many cases? 2 million cases of malaria reported every year. मलेरिया की जो आते हैं आपके केसेस आते हैं 2 million. Then clean drinking water. Yes, this is the most lost thing in our country India also. We are not getting clean drinking water. So clean drinking water is not available to all. Even 21% of all communicable diseases are waterborne. Yes, some of the communicable diseases are just like diarrhea, worm, hepatitis. Which communicable disease? Yes, which one? Just listen. Which one? For example, diarrhea, worms and hepatitis. of the children, if we talk about our country India, half of all children, अगर हम children में बात करें तो half of all children in India do not get adequate food to eat and are unnourished. पूरा proper adequate food नहीं मिल पाता और children क्या हैं आपके unnourished हैं. Okay. In order to prevent and treat illness, we need appropriate healthcare facilities. Okay, healthcare facilities also we need in order to which thing? In order to prevent and treat illness, such as health center. You can say that. Okay, some of the healthcare facilities, healthcare center. Then which thing? Hospitals. Then laboratories also we need for testing. Then ambulance service, after this blood banks, etc. also. That care provide the required care and the service that patients needed. After this, in order to run such facilities, we need health workers. Yes, to run all these facilities, we also need some health workers, nurses, qualified doctors, and other health professions also we need, who can advise and diagnose and treat illness. Okay, we also need the medicines and equipments also. Which thing? We also need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patient. These facilities are required to take care of us. Now student, all of you know about, just look at, India has a large number of doctors. Okay, we know that India has a large number of doctors. The country also has a considerably experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. Okay, so what? Besides these things, one thing also happened. Most of the doctors settle in urban areas, as here you can see in these points. Most of the doctors settle in urban areas. So all the positive development, we are even not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to the people. Our country has the money, our country has the knowledge and the people with experience, but cannot make the necessary healthcare available to all. To understand the more thing, okay, how the situation and how the healthcare service provided by government, what's the condition, we can understand the story of Hakim Sheikh. Here Hakim Sheikh, we can understand the more story of Hakim Sheikh. Hakim Sheikh was a member of Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti. Okay, which one? Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti, PBKMS, an organization of agricultural labor in West Bengal. One evening, what happened? He accidentally fell off a running train and suffered head injuries. He was in a very serious condition and needed immediate treatment. He was taken to a government hospital in Kolkata, but they refused to admit him because they did not have a spare bed. सबसे पहले वो कहाँ जाता है? ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में, जो आपका वेस्ट बंगाल का, कोलकाता का आपका वेयर गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल है, बट वो रिफ्यूज कर देते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ क्या नहीं होता? स्पेयर बेड. Another hospital did not have the facility or the specialized doctor necessary for his treatment. As you know, Hakim Sheikh got his head injury, very accidentally fell off, okay, and suffered which thing? Head injury. So other hospital also refused, okay, that, and they said they don't have the facility or the specialized doctor necessary for the treatment of Hakim Sheikh. In this way he spent 14 hours. एक हॉस्पिटल में गया, दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में गया, वहाँ प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिली, तो इस वजह से what He spent 14 hours in a critical state and was taken to 8 different government hospital. 8 different government hospital में गया वो, अलग अलग different hospital में, but वहाँ उसे तब भी उसकी जो इंजरी थी उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसको हॉस्पिटलाइज नहीं किया गया. Finally he was privated in a private hospital. Okay, finally he was admitted where? Finally he was admitted in a private hospital where he received treatment. He spent a lot of money on his treatment, even angry and upset over the indifferent attitude of all the hospitals that refused to admit him. Now Hakim Sheikh and which one? PBKMS, an organization of which name? Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti. Both Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS filed a case in the court. This is the story of the Hakim Sheikh and about the condition of the which one? Public healthcare public healthcare centers, public healthcare system, where the only not so much high equipments, not so much specialized doctors available. Student, for today video lecture, that's it. Just look at the questions also which you have to do. Questions you have to find. Okay, let's find. Watch the video very carefully and these questions you have to find and you have to do in your social science civics notebook. Okay, so first of all, look at the first one. Most doctors settle in dash areas. Which areas? Urban or rural? Yes, most of the doctors settle in urban areas. In democracy, okay, people expect the government to work for their which thing? Yes, welfare. In a democracy, people expect the government to work for the, you have to do it yourself. Okay, just watch the video. Diseases that spread from one person to another are called, just watch the video. On which of the following does our good health depend? These are the factors. Is it clean drinking water, hygienic food, pollution free water, all of these? So you have to tell on which of the following does our good health depend. Then look at the next question. Which of the following is a communicable disease? I have given 4 of the options here. You have to tell me which of the following is a communicable disease. Is it headache? Is it cancer? Is it sore throat? Or is it diarrhea? So these questions you have to do. Just find out the answers from the video. Watch the video very carefully. After this, you have to do all these questions in your classwork notebook. In our part 2, next part, we will discuss about some which thing, about the facilities, about the service, which thing? Public and private healthcare service. Which one? Public and private healthcare service. For today, that's it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.